Welcome to this Zycle training video. In today's session, I would like to demonstrate one of the really cool features of the CoolVox system. Extension mobility using the Follow Me feature allows a user to define a range of alternate numbers where they can be reached should they be out of the office or just away from their desks. The range of numbers can be other internal extension numbers on the phone system or even external numbers such as your mobile phone or Skype number. Configuring Follow Me is a very simple process which I'd like to demonstrate now. First we need to log into the CoolVox GUI interface using the admin account and the admin password. Once logged in, from the left hand menu select Advanced, Follow Me, New Follow Me. We need to select an extension, which in this example will be 805, and now we'll create our list. So first an internal extension I can be reached on, 803, and a second external number where I can be contacted. These numbers will be called in order. Select Save, and finally activate the changes, and your Follow Me is now set up. Let's call extension 805 and see what happens.
Try to locate the person you're calling.
As we just heard, CoolVox first called extension 805. 805 didn't answer the call, so CoolVox checks its list of alternate numbers defined in the Follow Me rule and called each number in order. Thank you for watching this demonstration. I hope you found it useful, and for further information on our products and services then please visit us at www.zycle.com.